5 new ways to make your workday healthier. If you're looking to improve your health and wellness at work, you may want to try these 5 new ways to make your workday healthier. This can make a big difference in your overall health and wellness. These simple tips will help you be more productive while at work. This can help to keep you healthy and happy. We all know that sitting for long periods of time can be harmful to your health, but it's not always easy to get up and stretch your legs. 1. Start your day on the right foot with a morning routine. What's the first thing you think about when you wake up? Do you immediately jump out of bed without even looking at the clock? Or do you lie there and roll through the day in your head before getting up? Whatever your routine is, it makes an impact on your day. If you jump out of bed feeling refreshed, you're more likely to be productive. If you lie there running through the to-do in your head, you might feel overwhelmed by the day. No matter what, however, it's important to have a morning routine to help you start the day on a positive note. This way, you're more likely to achieve your goals and get the most out of the day. 2. Take frequent breaks. It can be easy to get so wrapped up in your work that you can forget to take a break, and we all know how that can go. If you don't take a break, your eyes start to tire. Your body starts to get fatigued. 3. Keep your body healthy. Make sure to eat lots of vegetables and fruits, and make sure to stay away from processed and refined foods. It's also important to make sure you're getting enough exercise. 4. Stay positive throughout the day. Keeping a positive attitude will help you get through whatever life throws at you. By staying positive, you'll increase your happiness, relieve stress, and create a much better mood for everyone around you. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a state of active, open attention to the present. When you're mindful, you observe your thoughts and feelings from a distance, without judging them good or bad. Instead of letting your life pass you by, mindfulness means living in the moment and awakening to your experience. Speaking of mindfulness, I really recommend the book The Art of Living by Thich Nhat Hanh. If you'd like to discuss how to find ways to have a better, healthier workplace, please get in touch with us at info@claritywave.com.